our room tour. So today we're here at Novotel Acqua Residences. It's our first time here. I'm super excited because it has a different interior and vibe. Upon entering, you'll find your luggage storage area, which is smart because you don't need to drag your luggage towards the bedroom. So lalagay na lang siya dito. And then you can put your shoes at the bottom. Now let's move on to the cabinet. We got bathrobes. The plancha is here. You can see that there's an LED strip light. Is that how you call that? You have laundry bag. Ay, cute oh. It says wash me. Wash me whip. Wash me. Your safe and slippers are here. So this is not a hotel. This is a service apartment. All along I thought it's a hotel. Because the way how I distinguish that from the hotel is because there's a microwave here. And there's a sink. But there is no stove. We love that there's a microwave so that we can reheat our food. Yay! And then you have your glasses. I should be able to find nothing here because hindi ko na rin yan naabot. And then here, pull-out cabinet, but there are no plates. Weird. Hotels nga would provide plates eh. And wooden fork, but eto wala. The mini ref is here. And then you have your electric kettle for your coffee here. And they also provide water bottles. Hope in a bottle. Now, this is the exciting part. Let me show you their bathroom setup. Bathroom, restroom setup. It's kind of different. So, ta-da! So, you'll find that there's no door. Usually, the back of hotels, there's a door and then you have your restroom area. But this is like an open setup. You have your two lavatories here. And then mirrors are also kind of separated. You have your hand wash, dental kit, towels. Ito lang, the hair dryer, nakalagay lang siya dito. Wala siyang, hindi pa siguro nila naisip kung saan ilalagay. I don't know. It's just like, it's on here lang. And then, as you can see, it's a floating cabinet. So, underneath, they put on the towels and they also have a scale here. And the toilet and the bathroom have two separate doors. So, toilet is here. You have a bidet check. You have your trash can check. And tissue. Wala nang kailangan. For the shower. It's here. So this is your rain shower. You also have your shampoo and shower gel. Walang conditioner. Very nice. So I've seen this kind of setup in Okada. So the shower and the toilet are in two separate rooms. And then the lavatories are also in an open setup. No doors. Meron lang silang bathtub paglabas. Baka doon nila kinaya. Just kidding! There is a mirror here. Pull-out mirror. And your bed is right here. King size. This is a king size bed. You have your side tables, alarm clock, also speakers, and your TV. That is a Samsung TV. And then you also have a couch here. Because this room is kind of bigger than the one at the Araneta. branch. Also, there's a round table pa, oh. Coffee table. And then there is a work table also here. And this is, ta-da! This is your view. So you can see the residences building. Again, this is Mandaluyong area. So you have a view of a little of Makati and Mandaluyong here. And that is it, guys. I love the interior of this room. It's vibrant, it has a different aura, and I'm excited and looking forward to our stay here. I'm excited to try their breakfast. Is it comparable to what's at Novotel Araneta? Because we love also the breakfast selection there. By the way, we got this room for a promo price. It's only 5,699 with breakfast buffet and in-room massage for 2. Super mura ng room. I'm excited to explore the amenities here. To the breakfast area at the 6th floor. So we're gonna show you the food selection there, and let's go. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave a comment down below, and that's it, guys. See you later. Bye.